Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sigma Lawal again, and today, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be unboxing my new tripod stand. See, this tripod thing, I've been dreaming about it. Well, finally I got it, and I want to show you guys how it looks. Now, this is the tripod. I don't want to be racist now, because if I say it's an Asian product, and it's like, say you're going to Africa, when white people say they're going to Africa, but then I do not understand the what is written on it. But then I think it's of Asian descent, because I mean the lighting and all that. So yeah, I got this tripod for 13,000 naira at a place called Dube. No, is it Dube Queen Cinema? I think Queen Cinema in Ibadan here. And okay, I got some other accessories to it that summed up to 15,000 naira, but the tripod itself cost me 13,000 naira. Now, so let me show you guys how it looks. It comes in a bag that looks like this. It comes in a bag that looks like this. I mean, I think it's quite portable. It looks really nice. If I want to just go and record, I can easily carry it that way and set out. So it came in a bubble wrap too. I mean, I think to protect the tripod itself from maybe damage or something like that. Obviously, that's what bubble wrap is for. Ouch. Okay, so I'll show you guys this one later. So this is the tripod itself. That's how it looks. God, see, you guys don't know how excited I am about this thing. But yeah, this is how it looks. I don't know how many inches tall it is, but this is how long it looks. Over time, I will explain all of that to you. Alright, so let me show you guys the parts of the tripod. Now, this part is where you attach this device. So I got this for 2,000 naira. That was already some to 15,000 naira. You attach this particular one to this top part. I think it's a phone holder. But then before you attach this one, you have to attach one other device that attaches directly to this one. Then the phone holder now is joined to that one. Yeah, now. Okay. So you attach this one to this. This you attach to this, like so. Right? Then you now join this part to this part. But then this part is removable, it's detachable, so it's easy to, and it has a sort of a lever here that you can just screw it together, so it's easy to join, right? And it's this thing that moves so that it creates space to be attached like that. So this is how it looks. Now this part is supposed to turn, supposed to allow this, no, this part now is supposed to, this part is supposed to allow this move back and forth. Let me see, move back and forth. This screw here helps it be stable at this point. So if I unscrew this, it's not moving easily. Now this other part here is supposed to help this those, I didn't screw it. I didn't put it very obviously, that's how it moved. But then this other part is supposed to help this one move like this. So if I screw this shut, it doesn't move, at least not easily. Thank you. It doesn't move that easily. Let me attach this right here. Wait, is it like it's not study? So what other part? So the phone is going to be fixed to this part. You raise it depending on the length of the phone. You raise it, or the size or width of the phone. You raise it and attach it like so. Now these are the tripods, obviously, and it has one lever here. Spring camera has one lever here that allows it to be stable. If not, it moves like this. But then once you screw this up like this, it doesn't move that easily. And this is to carry this this thing, just to carry this, make carrying it easier. Now this one, this knob you are seeing here is supposed to work for this one. So if I screw that knob, if I unscrew this knob, it's like I've not figured out how to make this thing work. So this knob now is supposed to help this one. It's supposed to help this go higher. So if you have a particular height that you want to record at, and it's higher than this one, you can actually use this one to move it to that height. And yeah, obviously you're okay, fine. I think I'm going to insert a video of the full length of this, so you can either reduce or increase the tripod according to how tall you want it to be. Now this green thing, I don't know what it's for, and this, but I think I'll just figure it out. I'll use my Google Lens to find out what's this. That's just about it. I hope I'm going to bring amazing content to your screen using my beautiful tripod here. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Turn on your post notifications. You're one of the first people to know when a new video goes up. And that's it.